can do this. Come on. So guys, me and my family finally doing some hiking. Dovestone Reservoir. What a beautiful place. Just 30 miles away from Manchester, in Greater Manchester. And lovely weather. Climbing uphill. Come on, guys. Almost at the top. After nearly reaching the mountain top, my family has given up. They are going backwards now. Yeah, they decided to go back. So, I have to return. There's a nice waterfall over there. Our car park is right there. Quite a long walk, and my family is somewhere over there. Yes, right there. Going back, tired. Can't see. This is going to be our new multi-story building. Oh. How many stories are these?
There are.
Yeah.
8 stories.
Okay, nice.
I think we can make it 10.
Okay.